sting operation was carried out by my colleague Anuj, who's joining me live, and he went undercover to in fact get these drug peddlers on sting operation who've gone on to reveal sensational new details. Now, what does this sting operation prove? Number one, that drugs, hard drugs, are easily available in the financial capital. In fact, this drug peddler who claims that he supplied drugs to high-end parties, high-level parties in Mumbai can arrange doorstep delivery of drugs. This is how the rot runs deeper. This is how deep that rot runs. And Anuj is joining me on this broadcast. Also, my colleagues Piyush and Suhail are also live with me. But first up, I'd like to go across to Anuj. Anuj, you went undercover. You posed as a potential client because we had to bring the truth out of the drug nexus. There are peddlers, at least a dozen of them, who are under the NCB scanner. Two of them who've been arrested have named Shouvik Chakrabarti, and the NCB believes this is just the tip of the iceberg. Now, what has this sting operation proven? What did these drug peddlers, part of a larger cartel in Bollywood, tell you?
Well, exactly. This is being made in very much clear in that very sting operation, where they are making it very much clear that the drugs are very much easily available. And that's something what I investigate. That's something what I was trying to understand, that are they able to provide me the drugs? Can they provide the drugs? So yes, they were very much okay with that. And they were saying we have been like organizing these kind of parties where we have seen Bollywood personalities also, where we have seen big guns also, and the kind of drugs, this was not a normal drug. They were talking about cocaine, they were talking about white stuff, they were talking about every kind of stuff, and rather they were also ready to give us to give you the home delivery, the doorstep delivery. So this is something which is making it very much clear. The next is what we are talking about. If we talk about the things which is going on the ground level, on which NCB is also working, and we are also seeing how the arrest has been already made in that by the NCB. So this is making it very much clear that how the nexus is spread all over in Mumbai. So because these people are making it they are making it very much clear that this is very easy job for them. They have been organizing the party earlier also. So this is not going to be a very hard job for them, and rather they are anytime available. They were telling me that after 6 p.m. I can call to them anytime and they will be available. I just need to tell them if I want cocaine, if I want any other kind of stuff or drugs. Then they were making it very much clear that you just need to give us a 1 hour time and the stuff will be available with us. So this is something which is making it very much clear how this is spread all over in Mumbai, and how this drug nexus is working.
Absolutely.
This is something what we broke.
This is very, very shocking. Anuj, stay with me.
This is something what we are coming out by this investigation.
This is absolutely shocking, Anuj, and we are going to play out that sting operation once again with the translations that our teams have done here in the newsrooms. But Anuj, stay with me. We also have